Benja was an old loyal dog. His best friend was Mr. Miller. But Mr. Miller grew sick and was taken away. Benja was left all alone, waiting by the door. He was taken to a shelter. He was so sad he stopped eating. He just wanted his owner. Mr. Miller was in a nursing home, also sad. He kept asking, "Where is my Benja?" A kind nurse arranged a final visit. When Mr. Miller entered the shelter, Benja's tail wagged with joy for the first time in weeks. The old man and his old dog were reunited. Benja laid his head on Mr. Miller's lap. They sat together in the sunshine one last time. That night, Benja died peacefully. His heart was full. He had found his person. A dog's love is forever. Please cherish your loyal pets. They give us their whole heart.